In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Google Docs for 2025. Wrapping text is a crucial skill when it comes to creating visually appealing and organized documents. So let's dive right into the process and make it as simple as possible. First, you'll want to open up your web browser. If you're not sure which browser to use, any popular choice like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari will work perfectly. Once your browser is open, navigate to google.com. From its familiar homepage, you'll need to log into your Google account. Just click on the Sign In button and enter your email address. Follow this by clicking the Next button and then type in your password before clicking Next. Again, now that you're signed in, you'll see a small grid icon at the upper right side of your screen. Clicking on this icon reveals a range of Google apps. Among them, locate and choose Google Docs. Now you're in Google Docs. If you're starting from scratch, click on blank to create a new document. Otherwise, choose an existing document from your list. Once inside your document, you'll want to insert the image or object you wish the text to wrap around. To do this, click on Insert located on top of the screen, then hover over Image. You can choose to upload from your computer, search the web, or use other options like Google Drive, Photos, or even your camera. Pick the most suitable option for your needs. With the image inserted, it's time to focus on wrapping your text. Click on your image so it's highlighted with a blue border, and you'll notice some new options appear below. Here you'll find the Wrap Text icon. It looks like a group of lines wrapping around a square. Click this icon and instantly your text will start to wrap around the image. If you take a closer look, you'll see some blue margin handles around the image. These handles allow you to adjust the space between the image and the text. Simply click and drag them to your desired spacing, and additionally, there's a margin drop down in the image toolbar that lets you set precise spacing values. This feature can help you achieve a polished and professional look. Lastly, you might want to reposition your image. To do this, simply click and drag the image to your preferred location within the document. The text will automatically wrap around the image, creating a neat and tidy appearance, and that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can efficiently wrap text around images or objects in Google Docs. This will enhance the clarity and visual appeal of your documents. Thanks for watching, and happy document editing.